For engineered hardwood floors glued direct to concrete, a common complaint we hear from consumers and contractors is hollow sounds on some areas of the hardwood floor. These small areas will not affect how the floor performs structurally as long as there is no movement in the planks. Hollow spots are caused by small voids in adhesive or small imperfections regarding the flatness of the subfloor. In high-traffic areas like hallways or doorways, we have a simple solution that involves drilling a small hole between planks and injecting a two-part epoxy that expands under the floor and fills the voids and hollow spots. We then fill the drill hole with color-matched putty to blend the color back into the floor, leaving the floor as if we were never there. Learn more at azwood.com.